Avian, and Kingsley. We got Kingsley here today, riding with us. It's his birthday today, and it's National Dogs Day. And look what he's got. Look. He's got a lovely present from Jet Pilot. A new vest. He's ready to try it out and hit this water. It's his third time being on the jet ski. We're trying to getting his sea legs ready for the summer. All right, you ready, Kingsley? Tell the camera if you're ready. He's like, he's not ready. Extra sunny today that I even got the guns out. We got Karina, of course. We have Mr. Kingsley. He is officially a teenager. So y'all wish him a happy birthday and wish him luck that he's gonna enjoy this ride. Now come and ride away with me. Good job, baby. Where's your bumpers? Kings, you stay right there. Don't move. Alright guys, we made it to ONeills in Baytown, and it is a beautiful day. It's not as choppy. Kingsley, see my man right there? He got a birthday ride. I'm super impressed with how well he's handling the water. Let us finish eating, and we're gonna head back on the water soon. Manny, Nelly, and Monica, this is their first time coming out with us. They're trying the food. Look what they ordered. I saw y'all food when it came out. Finished up ONeills and we've changed skis. Now I'm on the GTX. And look at him, he's already liking it. He likes sitting back here, chilling. So there's his face, his cutie face. Are you ready to roll, handsome? You ready? We're at the Battleship now. Taking you around on your birthday. Everybody on their skis. We're at the Battleship, taking the new guys out here, and also taking Kingsley. He's one of our new riders. Kingsley, you made it. We're near the boat ramp. We're gonna hit the sandbar right about now. It was a good ride, guys. Look at everybody here. Jeez. There's a lot of people out here right now. Look at him on your birthday, baby. You having fun? Don't let him dig in that hole.